Is losing weight has been an issue to you? Have you been looking for the perfect way to lose weight? Here is what we have shared with you today, the perfect recipe that has worked for most people from our experience. Have 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Slice a raw lime into thin slices. Put together in a bowl with honey, mix and cover the bowl for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add half cup of hot water, stir and drain the tea. Add another half cup of hot water in the lime slices, stir again and drain the tea. Take a drink every morning in an empty stomach for 7 consecutive days. Enjoy the magical results of this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe our channel for more recipes.